Hi, today I'm making Mama's potato chip cookies. She made these one Christmas and we were hooked. And so it starts with 2¼ cups of all purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, a cup, which are 2 sticks of butter softened, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 cups of crushed potato chips, and about 3/4 cups of walnuts. So those are all of her ingredients for these cookies that she made for us for Christmas, and we had to have them as often as she would make them. Next, we're going to cream the butter, sugar, and vanilla all together. And so we're going to mix that thoroughly so that they'll be completely combined, the ingredients. Next we will add the dry ingredients. And so we're going to combine the flour and the baking soda and salt together. And then once we mix that all together, we'll then gently add that flour mixture to the creamed butter, sugar, and vanilla, just like you would most cookies. We're going to add in our 2 cups of potato chips, and next the 3/4 cups of walnuts. We'll add those as well, and then we're going to just mix those gently. And once it's combined well, we'll take the cookie mixture and roll them into little balls. Okay, and so this is what it'll look like on your cookie sheet. And these cookies are sweet and salty, but they have this really great texture, and again, a favorite in my house growing up.